guys, we are leaving the hotel. It's going to be super hard. You can't call them?
I can't make a reservation for the last week.
Ah, okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
So November 19th is closed.
Oh. So guys, this is the last day and I'm going to spend all my money here in 7-Eleven for the last day, guys. This one, beautiful orange juice. I need to eat a lot because we are going to spend a lot of time in airport. I will be missing this a lot. Extremely good. Some of these, they are the best ones. Però riportiamo indietro un po' di spaghetti carbonara. Jerky beef that is super good. No guys, I'm feeling sad because I don't have time to go picking another store. Oh no, I found it, guys. It was hidden. This is the spot, guys. Look at this. Only 3. The last raid, guys. So guys, this is last meal at 7-Eleven. I'm going to miss this one so much, guys. It's like lemon with onion. It's incredible. If you like something at the throat, you drink this and you're super okay. Honey. Ho detto onion. Lemon with onion, bro. So guys, I think that Luca is going to enter easy. Zeno, I don't know.
I'm in.
14, 17. But there we have like 25 and something like that. Plus with this, I don't know. It's fucking out, guys. So guys, this airport is insane. It's like the biggest one I ever seen. You have like the monorail to get to the gates. It's incredible. Oh guys, finally after 45 minutes of delay we are going. Took the last poop in Japan and it was amazing. Best experience ever, guys. You should try literally the bathrooms here at the airport. Bikina. Oh. We are going to wait here for 7 hours. No one is here. It's like super calm. No problem. Salmon jerky in the morning. first pit stop, and already I'm crying because like for a tea, €3.90, and I was like, oh my god, it's too freaking much, guys. Prices in Japan were like more convenient. So guys, we made it to the warehouse and we pick up the cars, and now we are going to eat something. We are going to eat pizza because it's 2 weeks that we are without pizza. So guys, we are back to the Capano Porcuto. I'm going to die. We are going to pick up the Sky. We are going back home with the Sky. Oh, finally. Oh, there it is, my baby. Oh yeah. Let's go to Pongi, guys. And that's it, my Japan adventure comes to an end. From Tokyo's chaos, Kyoto's silence and Osaka's energy, these weeks gave me so many moments I will never forget. Japan taught me patience, attention to details, and the beauty of everyday life. Even in a 7-Eleven breakfast or the quiet of a train ride. The journey doesn't end when the planes land. It stays with you and shape how you see the next one. And speaking of the next one, actually I'm recording this while already on another trip. Because that's the point. Keep moving, keep exploring, and keep sharing my journey and stories with you. So, thank you for coming through my Japan adventure. It was a pleasure for me. This was just one chapter. The next one is already rolling right now, so stay tuned, keep subscribe, and that's it. Thank you very much for staying, and see you in the next one. There is no grass to cut, guys. It's like this tall.